Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this look. Basically, I will show you how to create this fishtail winged eyeliner. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by showing you some brushes that you can use for this look. Now the one on your left is a basic eyeliner brush which you even get with liquid eyeliners, and the one on your right is a long angled brush. Personally, I prefer the one on the left because that helps you do very fine detailing work also. The other two I have for you is this very thick, densely packed, short angled brush, and the one on your right is a very fine angled brush, which is actually what I'm going to use in today's video. Personally, I like these kind of fine angled brushes for doing eyeliners because they help you do a lot of detailing work, like I said, and they makes the look more sharper in appearance. But you can choose any of these brushes depending on your comfort level. Personally, you have to be very comfortable with the brushes that you use, but if you want to do very sharp detailing work, then you will definitely not be able to do those with those angled brushes that I showed you. But just if you are interested in just creating a winged eyeliner, then they will definitely be very convenient for you if you're just a beginner. So I'm starting off with a gel eyeliner. I'm using the one by MAC. Now you can use any color for this look, but I prefer black, so I'm going with a black gel eyeliner. So I'm going to start off by just creating a very basic winged eyeliner. You have seen me do this a lot of times, and I'm sure a lot of you are already comfortable in creating winged eyeliners. So the top part of this look is going to be very simple. It's like a basic winged eyeliner. After you have done the top liner, you will have to create a replica of this on your lower lash line, near your lower lash line. Now you can create the wing as thick or as thin as you want, but make sure you create it so you are able to replicate it on your lower lash line also. Basically, it's called a fishtail winged eyeliner because the tail part of this liner is going to look like a fish's tail. So I suggest taking very little product and try to draw the wing slowly. I always say this, do not take a lot of product at once because that's just going to come in the way of you creating a very smooth liner. So just take little product and take the excess off at the edges of the liner pot, and then just start drawing the wing, because if you take a lot of product, it's just going to come in the way and it won't let you create a smooth line. Now you can always use a nail, or you can even use a concealer to clean the edges of the liner that you have created. I usually do this with my nail, or even if you have a tissue in place, you can even use that. Basically, you just have to use these techniques to make the wing as sharp as you want it to appear. So now I'm going to repeat the same thing on my lower lash line. So basically I am going to create a replica of this winged eyeliner on my lower eye as well. So for this part, I would suggest do not draw a thick line or a long line at once. Do this very slowly, because you have to make sure that it looks exactly like your top liner. And do not start filling the gaps at once. I would suggest you draw the outline first, like how I am doing it. And then once you have the outline in place, you can start filling. You can start taking some product on your brush and start filling the gaps. At any point, if you feel your eyes are watering, then just take a piece of tissue and just keep it on the corner of your eye, so it just to blot the water. So once you've done this part, all you are left to do is just create a very tiny beak at the corner of your eye. Now this is exactly where you're going to need a very fine brush. Now if you try to do it with those fat angled brushes, you will not get a very precise look. So for things like these, you will definitely need a more finer brush. So that's why I would recommend something like what I am using, or like a regular eyeliner brush which you get with those liquid eyeliners. For these kind of things, those brushes are actually very convenient. So it's nothing but an extension of your top and bottom liner. All you have to do is just extend those lines a little bit, and then extend enough so it starts appearing like a parrot's beak. So that's all I'm going to do for the liner. Now I will just fill the gaps with a kajal pencil. I'm just going to line my waterline basically, and then I will also top the gel eyeliner with a black eyeshadow. So it not only sets the gel eyeliner in place, but it also makes it more intense. Now I usually feel after applying concealer and foundation, my gel eyeliner kind of glides on top of it, and it's never very intense, like not intense enough how I would like it to be. So I usually top it up with a black eyeshadow. Now if you have a good gel eyeliner which is really intense and black, then you don't have to do this. But I don't know, in my case it usually just glides on top of the concealer that I apply, and it's never as intense as it's supposed to be. So I usually top it up with a black eyeshadow. It just makes it more intense, and it also sets the gel eyeliner in place for a really long time. So I'm going to link a couple of brushes that you can use for this look in the description box. It may not be the exact brushes that I have, but I will link the ones that I find which are very similar to these, and which will help you achieve this look very easily. So that's it. I'm going to now repeat it on the other eye, and I will be back shortly. So I just repeated the same steps on the other eye, and now I'm just applying, I'm just doing the last step of setting the gel eyeliner in place with a black eyeshadow. Now the one thing that I missed in this look is the mascara. I totally forgot to get the mascara, but you know, do not forget to do that step. It was in the other room and I just forgot to get it. So I am not applying mascara for this look, but I would insist, if you're creating this look, then you should definitely apply mascara, because it's just going to accentuate the eyes even more. I'd already applied the foundation and concealer, and I'd also applied a little bit of eyeshadow on my eyes. So I did not include those things in the video, because it's not about that anyway. So I'm not including that part, but I'm going to do the rest of my face now. I will apply some blush, some highlighter, and I'll put on a nice lipstick to complete the look. I will link the products that I have used. I am not sure right now which blush or highlighter I used for this video. I will definitely check it out and I will link everything. If there's anything new that I have used which I have not mentioned in any of my old videos, I will definitely link them in the description box. This lipstick, actually I'm very fond of this lipstick. I used it after a really long time. This is actually by ColourPop and this is the only ColourPop product that I own, and it's such a good brand, and I know they have a lot of good products. If any of you don't know about their products, you should definitely check their website out. I'm going to link it in the description box. If any of you don't know about ColourPop, they have amazing products, amazing lip products especially, and they also ship to India. So, and there are a lot of Instagram pages which sell ColourPop products as well, so definitely check that out. So that's the finished look. I'm just going to apply a little more blush to complete the look. I'm a blush person, like I always say. So that's the finished look. I hope you all like this video. I hope you all are able to recreate this look. It's not very difficult, honestly. It might look very intimidating at first, but it's really not. You just saw how easily I created this look. So that's it for this video. I hope you all liked it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you happen to recreate it, let me know, and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle also in the description box. So thank you very much for watching, and please stay home, stay safe. You all know what we are dealing with, what our country and the world is dealing with. So I hope you all stay safe, take necessary precautions. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.